Kamusta yo fam? I'm Yowawerts and welcome back to another video, which is going to be different compared to my past videos because we're not going to deal with cardboard this time, but it will still involve art. This new discovery I learned is probably one of the most creative things I came up with, so I hope that you guys will like it. But before I show it to you, please consider subscribing to this channel and ring that bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking now and I hope that you guys will like this. Check this out. After my quick knife show, I went to the back of my house and cut out a banana branch. I honestly have no idea if these trees belong to us or if they actually belong to someone, but tropical plants such as coconut trees, mango trees, and banana trees just seem to pop up everywhere here in the Philippines. And what's really cool is that all the fruits or whatever these trees produce are for free, most especially if you live in the province where I live, so it's real cool. After I gathered enough banana leaves from the backyard, I went back to my room and started to make the portraits. First thing I did was draw the celebrity's face on the banana leaves, and then I immediately traced these lines and curves with cutter. It was kind of difficult tracing them with cutter as the banana leaf tears whenever cut the wrong way, which is kind of unpredictable, but after a little bit of practice, I managed to cut the portraits almost perfectly. However, my hand hurt a lot while cutting as I had to put an ample amount of pressure on the cutter just to make clean cuts and avoid the leaves from tearing apart. This art isn't as detailed as other portraits, but still it was done meticulously, which exhausted me. So I took a break and ate puto, which my mom gave me, and made myself coffee. After my short break, I continued cutting, and once they were done, I took the pieces out and placed them on plastic with white glue for a clear look of the image. It turned out better than I expected, and the portraits were not far from the images I had in mind. But before I show you the result, shout out to Scenescraft who also make arty videos like mine. And also, if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up and join the Yo Fam if you haven't. Alright, so here are the results. Here's Taylor Swift. Here's the yummy artist, Justin Bieber. And lastly, the Titanic star, here's young Leonardo. Again, they aren't that detailed, but if you take a look at them, they do resemble the artist I had in mind. Also, they were really hard to cut out given the fact that they were made out of banana leaves, which is kind of weird but also pretty unique, so yeah. To my couple of Filipinos, I also made a portrait with this similar style. I made portraits of our local Filipino artists. The only difference was that they were made from cardboard and not dahon ng saging. So if you want to check that out, just click right here, maybe here. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Sana po'y nagustuhan ninyo. I hope that you will keep on supporting this little channel of mine. There will be more videos soon, so stay tuned.